we're here again to pursue our next origami project, which is a flapping bird. You know how to do that? I showed it before, but for those who haven't seen it, just follow the video. Okay, this is the one whole sheet of paper. I used the what you call the double-sided color. Now it's too big for me, so I would like to make it only half. But if you want to do it the whole thing at home, you can do so that you'll have a bigger bird. But for illustration purposes, we just do half of it. So watch me. I am making creases because when you do origami, you don't use a pair of scissors. We use our nails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that it can be easily torn. Okay, you can easily tear it. There, there, torn already. Very straight. Alright, so the next step is you are going to make a square. You make a square like that of a ball and a tulip. For those who watched before, so we do this form, do a square, 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 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make it longer. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that it will not be irregular. So that you will have a straight and easy way of cutting there. So square. There's a crease in the middle. And we'll do another one. Okay. Another one. For these creases. Creases. Okay. Okay. Before, when we're making a ball, we have to fold it like this. From here and here. Okay. But this is not the way how to make a flapping bird. To do it, we have to do the other way around. It should be like this. So your paper is like this. You push the side. There, push it to the center. Follow the creases. And then I will do it the side. And we'll have that way. Okay, perfect. It's like a diamond, a square. Okay, if it's standing, it's just diamond, but if it is lying down, it's a square. So this is the open part. You turn your paper to check the edges. Okay, and when you're done, you make folds. Fold number 1. See to it when you fold, the closed one is below. There. The open one is there. And then you'll have it like that. Turn around. And another turn. Okay, very good. It looks like that. So, using your forefinger in the middle and then the middle finger and the thumb, you hold it like this. This. Then open this one. When you open it, you return it to the fold, forming like a boat. Like a boat. Or you can sail to the sea with a boat. There it is. You have to follow the creases so that it will be beautiful. There. After that, you hold the one that you finish with your forefinger, middle finger, and your thumb, and then you open also the other side. Sometimes you can help it here. Okay, there you are. So if you are to be successful, you have to open it here, and you have that kind of form. Okay, so because you have that form, you return it to its position, and then you put this down, and you put this down, and you will have this kind of form. Okay, either way, but it should be one. Open one should be on top. So you put it back. Okay, and then turn again to form this bird. To form a bird that flaps its wings. There. Then what you do is you will pull this one. You see already the form, and then fold this one to be the head. And then below here we have some little triangle. You lock it, just follow the fold. So there, lock. Then the other one, you also pull this one, the tail, and then you lock it. Then you lock it there. So you have a bird, and when you hold the tail and the base of the neck, you will have a flapping bird there. The bird flaps its wings. It's a flapping bird. Okay, so I will hope you like it, and you can put a string here and let it fly. You can decorate places you like, and this is your flying bird. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope that you're going to find it easy to do the flying bird. But if you fail to follow, just play back the video. Thank you so much. Until next time.